Today we are talking about chasing women, chasing success, money, fame, fortune, the glory, conquering the world. But when you chase, what you're actually doing is you're inhibiting yourself from being complete and whole in the way that you actually want yourself to be and are anyway. Spoiler, you already are. But I'm going to go over today how chasing things that you think will make you happy will in turn not, and what you can do about it. Stick with me, my friend. Stay till the end of the video. I want you to learn this. This is so powerful. This is the most powerful thing you can ever realize about who you are. Welcome back. My name is Dre. I help men master their journey. And today we are talking about chasing things that you think are gonna make you happy. Women, money, bigger cars, a bigger, badder truck, okay? All that shit, the wealth, all that stuff that you think is on top of the world and will take you to that level. It's actually fake, man. It's fake. When you put anything higher than you by chasing it, making it a thing, this figment that will complete you or make you whole, you're literally just devaluing yourself. Don't put yourself in that hole. Don't go down that path, man. All you have to do is let go of all of it. And I know that gets tossed around quite a bit as well, but letting go of things is really just learning to accept that they are there. Things are in our world, but they do not affect us emotionally. That is the key. Meditation helps greatly with this. Mind-blowing. If you want help step by step learning how to meditate, breathing, visualization, link in the description, my friend. Check it out. Now look, man, we all know when you put shit on a pedestal, anything you think that is more valuable than you, that will complete you, you're putting yourself in a hole and you're just throwing more dirt on it, man. It's like digging your own grave. It's so simple when you actually step back and just look at what's happening. You are in the world, okay? And you are putting other things like that. You know, what is this? Money? What is this? Women, what is this? Success. All these things you think are the cause of your completeness. You absolutely think that by gathering these up and getting them into your system, into your life, then you will be complete. But look, man, it is so simple when you just flip that script and realize that none of this makes you complete and whole, because when you were born, the day you were born, you were complete and whole. And the more weights and emotional responses to situations in your life that got attached to your being, that's what changes us, man. The beliefs that we come to have, all of these things mold us and shape us, but we are always complete. And then the older we get, we lose touch of that. And we think that these things will make us complete. Now look, man, especially with women, I think it goes without saying, never, ever, ever chase. But we're talking about everything. Money. When you are chasing money, chasing that dollar, you are seriously just keeping yourself poor. You are keeping your mind in a poverty mindset, a poor man's mindset. Go beyond that. By going beyond these beliefs and things you've created about yourself, it's just about letting go. It's just about creating the separation and then seeing what else is out there. Going beyond the box, looking further. So I think a lot of guys, when I start talking to them about the value that they think they have, how much value do you have? That question always baffles them, because they think that it's on a meter, right? And the higher they get on this meter, the more value I have, the more value I have. This is completely false. This is not set in stone, okay? This is ever changing, ever changing. You can go up the ladder and down the ladder. Your value is solely based on the value you give yourself. If you got rejected by a girl and you take that rejection and you frame it into something that devalues you, you have just lowered your value. Or you can take that same rejection from a woman, a business partner, maybe a friend, maybe your fucking pet is being mean to you today. And you can reframe it into a challenge that in turn elevates you to another level. Then you know what? You've just taken the same thing and raised your value. This is the trick. This is the thing, is you have to realize that it's all up to you. You have to just learn to step back from the emotions holding you stuck and grounded in this false bullshit that you've created from years, decades, who knows, man. And to get rid of it, you must become aware of it. Meditation, man, helps greatly with this. It is the only way I have ever found to become so separate and aware that nothing can faze you, man. It is the sweet spot. It's the money spot, man. It all comes down to you giving yourself absolute, complete, without a doubt, unconditional permission to be whole and complete. The divine creature that you actually are. When you do that, you create a vortex that is you. And all of the things that you desire, that you used to chase, that you finally just let go of and allowed everything, the love, the peace, the joy, the enlightenment, to be and become fuller inside of you. Because it is you. That is true wealth. True wealth. Thank you for watching, my friend. Check out the description. There's some cool links down there you should really check out. It'll do you right on your journey. I'll see you in the next video, my friend. Peace.